Hello viewers, welcome back to Unleash Maths. This is going to be episode 6 of our series Math Games with Dice. I hope you have seen all the previous episodes. Also, I believe you are trying all the games. Do let me know in the comment section how did you find the games. If you want me to make game on any specific subtopic, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to make that for sure. Now let's move to our today's episode. Today's episode 6, is about a game called Collect the Money. In this game, we need few coins of rupee 1, 2, 5 and 10. Also, if you do not have coin, that's also fine. A dice and a record sheet if you don't have the coin. That's it. It's a very simple yet easy game to practice addition of money. So let's see how. To play the game Collect Your Money, we need few 1 rupee coins, few 2 rupees coins, few 5 rupee coins and few 10 rupees coin. And we need a dice. Apart from dice, we need to make a scorecard. In this scorecard, represent what does each die roll will give you. For example, here I have mentioned if you roll 1 on the dice, collect rupees 10. If you roll 2 on the dice, skip the turn. If you roll 3, roll again. If you roll 4, collect 2 rupee coins. If you roll 5, collect 1 rupee coins. And if you roll 6, collect 5 rupee coins. If you want, you can twist and turn this and you can make your own scorecard. This is just an idea. Keep this over here. Now, this game can be played by 2 to 4 players or more than that. Players take turns and rolls the dice and collect the coin or whatever is written over here as per the scorecard. Players decide in advance either the number of rounds or amount of the money. For example, if I say number of rounds, players decide in advance that the game will go on for 5 rounds. So players play for 5 rounds each. And if you decide the amount, say for example collect rupees 50 or so on, the player to collect rupees 50 first is the winner. For this game, let us keep for 5 rounds. So this game is for 5 rounds. Let us assume there are 2 players. So player 1 rolls the dice 6. 6 represents collect rupee fine coin. So this goes here. This is round 1. Now player 2 round 1. 4. Collect 2. So this is for player 2. First round is done. Second round. 6 again. Player 2. 6. Round 3. 4. 4. Round 4. 2. 2 is skip the turn. So now it's turn for player 2. 1. 1 is collect rupee 10. So this player collect rupees 10. So round 4 rounds are done. Now round 5, the last round. Five. Collect rupee 1. Player 2. 4. Now we are done with 5 rounds. Let us count and see the total of each player. So player 1 has got 5 and 5 10 and 2 12 and 13. Player 2 has got 10 and 5 15, 16 17, 18 19 and 20 21. So player 1 has got 13 and player 2 has got 21. So player 2 is the winner. If you do not have the coins, do not worry. You can just make a record sheet. Along with this, keep one record sheet and whatever coin comes in, just write it down and add the number. Without coin also you can play the game. Do try the game and let me know how did you find the game in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Unleash Maths. Thank you.